Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Next, go to the QuickBooks App Store and search for Transactions. Connect the app by following the prompts in the App section of QuickBooks Online. Once connected, access the transactions directly from your QuickBooks Online account. Inside the Transactions tab, find the Delete option to manage your journal entries. Now, use the advanced search and filter tools to locate the journal entries you want to delete. You can filter by date, type, or amount. Before deleting, you can back up the journal entries by tapping the Download button. After backing up, select the desired journal entries and confirm the deletion to complete the process. So that's basically how you can delete a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.